So remainder theorem states that when f of x is divided by x minus a, when you divide f of x by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. When, for example, when f of x is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is equal to this x minus 2 means x minus 2 you have to take as 0, x value will get 2, that 2 you have to substitute in f of x. So when f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. That means when f of x is divided by x minus 2, equate x minus 2 value to 0, find out x value that is 2. That 2 you have to substitute in f of x, that is called remainder. So when f of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is f of a. So when f of x is divided by x minus a, then remainder is equal to f of a. So when f of, for example, when f of x is divided by x plus 1, then remainder is equal to find out the remainder, x plus 1 you equal to 0 and find out x value is minus 1. That minus 1 you have to substitute in f of x. That is the remainder. Remainder is f of minus 1. Right, exercise 2.3. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by number 1 x plus 1, number 2 x minus half, number 3 x, number 4 x plus 5. So first we have to suppose the given expression as f of x. F of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now from remainder theorem, when f of x is divided by x plus 1, remainder is equal to, so when divided by x plus 1 means x plus 1 you equal to 0 and find out x value is minus 1. That x value you substitute in f of x, that remainder is f of minus 1. This minus 1 you will substitute in f of x. So let us find out the remainder f of minus 1. In place of x you substitute minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, minus 1 whole square is 1, this is minus 3 plus 1, minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. So remainder we will get 0. Now second bit, when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 by 2, we should find out the remainder. So when f of x is divided by x minus half, then remainder is equal to this x minus half we have to equate to 0. Find out x value. X value will get 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 we have to substitute in f of x, that is the remainder. So we should find out f of 1 by 2. Let us substitute 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 whole cube is 1 by 8. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 plus 1. Here we will get LCM 8. Here 8 is there, write the numerator as it is. Here 4 is there, 4 2s are 8, so with 2 you have to multiply. Here 2 is there, 2 4s are 8, with 4 you have to multiply the numerator. Here 1 is there, so we have to multiply by the LCM 8. So 1 plus 6, 4 3s are 12 plus 8 by 8. This is 27 by 8. Now the third bit. When f of x is divided by, here only x given, we can take x minus 0. When f of x is divided by x minus 0, then remainder is equal to this x minus 0 you have to equate to 0 and find out x value. X value will get 0. That 0 we should substitute in f of x. So we should find out f of 0. Let us find f of 0. In this, wherever x is there, substitute 0. 0 whole cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. 0 whole cube is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. So the remainder will get 1. Now the last bit. Here f of x is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. When f of x is divided by, it is x plus pi, then remainder is equal to x plus pi we have to equate to 0. Find out x value. X value will get minus pi. That minus pi we have to substitute in place of x. That is the remainder. So we should find out f of minus pi. Wherever x is there, substitute minus pi. Minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Minus whole cube is minus pi cube. This is minus pi whole square is pi square. This is minus 3 pi plus 1. So this is the LCM and this is the remainder. Right, second problem. Find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. Now the given expression first you have to suppose as f of x. F of x is equal to x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p. From remainder theorem, when f of x is divided by x minus a, then remainder is f of a. So when f of x is divided by x minus p, then the remainder is f of p. So when f of x is divided by x minus p, then the remainder is f of p. So here in f of x, wherever x is there, substitute p. So p cube minus p into p square plus 6 into p minus p. This is p cube minus p cube, 6p minus p. 6p minus p is 5p is the remainder. Right, question number 7. Find the remainder when f of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by x minus 2 and verify the result by actual division. First, f of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. From remainder theorem, when f of x is divided by x minus 2, when f of x is divided by x minus 2, remainder is f of 2. So remainder is f of 2. Let us find out f of 2. In place of x, you have to substitute 2. 2 to the power 4 minus 3 into 2 square plus 4. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 plus 4, 8 is the remainder. So by using remainder theorem, when f of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is f of 2. So we calculated the remainder, we got 8. Now we should verify this result by using actual division. So let us divide x to the power 4. Here x cube term is not there. I will write 0 into x cube minus 3x square. Here x term is missing, so 0 into x plus 4. So let us take x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. So here x cube term is missing, so 0 into x cube. X term is also missing, so 0 into x. When it is divided by x minus 2. Now in division method, we should see the first term here and here. Here first term is x to the power 4. With which number we should multiply x so that we will get x to the power 4. So x into how much is equal to x to the power 4? X into x cube. So let us multiply x cube into x to the power 4, x cube into minus 2x cube. So while subtracting, we will change the sign. Here 0x cube, here 2x cube. If you add, you will get 2x cube. Take next term minus 3x square. Now here x is there, here first term 2x cube is there. X into how much is equal to 2x cube? So 2x square. 2x square into x is 2x cube. 2x square minus 2 is minus 4x square. While subtracting, we will change the signs. This is 4x square minus 3x square is x square. Take next two terms. 0 into x. Here x into how much is equal to x square? X into x. So x into x is x square. X into minus 2 is minus 2x. Now let us subtract. 2x plus 0x is 2x. Take the last term 4. Now x into how much is equal to 2x? X into 2. So 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Let us subtract. Here 4 if you add, you will get 8. So here we will get the remainder 8. By using remainder theorem, we got the remainder 8. So thus it is verified.
7.